Hey everyone, I'm sure you know who I am by now, but for those who are new, I'm Keegan, and this will be speech number 3 for the Ron Paul Curriculum Public Speaking course. In this speech, I'm going to cover something that's been on the news recently, and I'm going to give y'all my opinion on it, and just give y'all a little information into it. So the subject I want to cover is a modified virus that's been made to kill cancer cells. So to get started, I believe it was yesterday, Google News posted a headline on their website about a possible cancer cure. This modified virus basically invades the tumor, creates these little ulcers, and explodes them. So the virus has seemed to save a man's life about 2 years ago, and pardon me if I butcher this, I do have to look at the name, it's quite rare. Krzysztof Wojtkowski. In 2017, he was diagnosed with salivary gland cancer and underwent experimental therapy. In this therapy, they injected him with a drug made from the modified herpes virus, or the cold sore virus. Now, the virus itself is very common. I get them. My friend gets them. My mom used to get them. It's incredibly common. And they modified it to cure cancer. It's kind of strange, and I'm not too educated on the subject. I just think it's rather cool. He had these injections for every 2 weeks for 5 weeks in total, and has now been cancer-free for the last 2 years. It's still under experimentation, and out of the 40 total patients, I think it was, 10 have had their tumors shrunk, so it's about at a 4% success rate, so that's cool. Now, I'm not sure how successful is going to continue to be, and I'm not sure how recent any of this info is, but I'm very hopeful that it works, as I'm sure many are. It seems to be at least partially effective, and I'm sure it'll just continue to grow. Now, I'm not sure what everyone else believes on this subject, but in my opinion, I do not think that it is a hoax. I think it's real, and I hope that this is going to be the cure that saves everybody. This is the end of my 3rd speech for the Ron Paul Curriculum Public Speaking course, and if you enjoyed it, I hope you continue to watch the rest, and I hope you can leave a comment telling me what I need to work on. Thank you for watching.